everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here with a new video all about ways of working agreement. It is also called as WOW agreement. Now let us understand what is this ways of working agreement and what does it consist of and how it is different from others, what is the significance and all other possible questions related to ways of working agreement. A ways of working agreement, also known as team working agreement or team charter, is collaboratively developed set of guidelines that defines how a team will work together. It outlines the expectation, norms, and practices for team collaboration, communication, and decision making. These agreements are often created at the beginning of a project or when the new team is formed, are revisited periodically to ensure that they remain relevant and effective. What are the major clauses? To start with, purpose and objective. Define the purpose of the agreement, outline the goals and objectives of the team that is going to achieve. Team roles and responsibilities. Clarify each team member's role, define roles, responsibilities, and accountability. Communication protocol. Set guidelines for communication channel, example, email, Slacks, meeting, Teams, etc. Establish response time for messages and emails. Define how to handle urgent issues. Meeting guidelines. Set a regular meeting schedule. Define the structure and purpose of different types of meeting. Example, stand-up, retrospectives. Outline expectations for meeting preparations and follow-up. Decision-making process. Establish how decisions will be made. Example, conscious, majority vote, etc. Define the process of escalating issues as well. Working hours and availability. Set core working hours. Define expectations for availability, including flexible working agreements. Collaboration practices, rules and responsibilities within the team, process for task assignment and tracking process. Feedback, encourage open and constructive feedback, establish a process for regular performance reviews and feedback sessions. Conflict resolution, define steps for addressing and resolving conflicts, identify who to approach for mediation if required. Tools and technologies, list the tools and technologies the team will use, set guidelines for using these tools effectively. Quality standards. Define what quality means for your team. Set standards for deliverables and work process. Performance and accountability. Metrics and benchmark for measuring team performance. Procedure for holding team members accountable. Review and adaptation. Establish a regular schedule for reviewing and adopting WOW agreement. Allow for flexibility and adapting as the team evolves. Applicability of ways of working agreement. At the start of project, establishing clear expectations from the beginning helps prevent misunderstanding and conflicts later on. When forming a new team, whether a permanent team or a temporary project team, a working agreement helps to align team members on how they will collaborate effectively. During major changes, introducing new tools, changing team composition, or significant shift in project scope can necessitate revisiting and updating the agreement. To address team issues. If a team is experiencing communication breakdown, conflict, or inefficiencies, a working agreement can help address and resolve these issues. Periodic review. Regularly reviewing and updating the agreement ensures it stays relevant and continues to meet the team's needs. A ways of working agreement is particularly useful in various scenarios where clear and agreed upon guidelines can enhance team performance, collaboration, and satisfaction. Here are some of the common scenarios where a WOW agreement could be beneficial. New team formation scenario. A company has assembled a brand new project with team members from different departments or locations using a WOW agreement. Purpose, to quickly establish a common understanding and cohesive work practices among team members who may have different work styles and expectations. Details, setting communication norms, example, preferred tools and response time, defining roles and responsibility, and agreeing on meeting schedules. Project kickoff scenario. An organization is launching a significant project that involves multiple stakeholders and complex tasks. Usage of WOW agreement. Purpose, to ensure all stakeholders are aligned on how the project will be managed and executed. Details. Defining decision-making process, setting expectation for status update, establishing conflict resolution mechanism, and clarifying deadlines and deliverables. Remote or hybrid work environment scenario. A team is transitioning to a remote or hybrid work model where some members work from home while others are at the office. Use of WOW agreement. Purpose: to address challenges related to communication, collaboration, and maintaining productivity in a dispersed team. Details: agreeing on core work values, preferred communication channels, expectations for virtual meeting etiquette, and methods for tracking progress and productivity. Team restructuring and merging. Scenario: two teams with a company are merging or a team is undergoing significant restructuring. Use of WOW agreement. Purpose: to facilitate a smooth transition and integration of team members, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding work practices. Details: clarifying new roles and responsibility, establishing new workflows, and agreeing on how to handle overlapping functions or duties. Fifth one, continuous improvement initiatives. Scenario: a team is implementing continuous improvement initiatives to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Use of WOW agreement. Purpose: to create a structured approach to continuous improvement and ensure that all the team members contribute to and support the process. Details: setting guidelines for proposing and evaluating improvements, defining feedback mechanism, and scheduling regular review sessions. Sixth one, multidisciplinary collaboration. Scenario: a project requires collaboration between different disciplines or departments such as marketing, engineering, and sales. Use of WOW agreement. Purpose: to bridge the gap between different working style and priorities, ensuring effective collaboration and integration of diverse expertise. Details: establishing common goals, communication protocols, shared tools and platforms, and cross-functional meeting schedules. Seventh one, onboarding new members. Scenario: a team is onboarding several new members who need to quickly adapt to the team's existing ways of working. Use of WOW agreement. Purpose: to provide a clear introduction to the team's culture, process, and expectation, helping new members integrate smoothly. Detail: documenting key practices, outline expectation for contributions and behavior, and setting up mentoring or buddy systems. Eighth one, high pressure projects. Scenario: a team is working on a high stakes project with tight deadlines and significant pressure to deliver. Use of WOW agreement. Purpose: to ensure that stress and high pressure do not lead to conflicts or burnout, and that the team remains focused and cohesive. Details: agreeing on workload distribution, stretch management practices, communication during peak periods, and support mechanism for team members. In each of these scenarios, a WOW agreement serves as a foundational document that helps to align the team members, establish clear expectation, and foster a positive and productive work environment. In summary, a ways of working agreement is a vital tool for fostering a productive, harmonious team environment. It sets the foundation for effective collaboration by defining how team members will work together, communicate, and make decisions. If you have any questions or require any additional information, please feel free to reach out via WhatsApp at 99458934115. And also for email subscription, please do check in the link in the description. And before moving to next video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Contract Simplified. Thank you for watching.